Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to keep your Facebook activity private or just want to clear out your watch history, you've come to the right place in this video. I'll show you how to delete your watch history on Facebook in 2024. It's quick, easy, and will help keep your activity private. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook or go to web browser. On your Google web browser, type in facebook.com. Or else, if you're using a mobile device, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Next, you'll want to find your activity log. To do this, click on the dots next to the edit profile button on your profile page. Now that you're in the activity log, look at the left hand side menu. Here you'll see various categories of your activities. Scroll down until you find videos you've watched, then click on it. Here you'll see a list of all the videos you've watched on Facebook. To delete a single video from your watched history, click on the three dots next to the video and select delete. If you want to delete all watched videos, you can use the clear video watch history. Simply click on clear. And that's it. This is how you successfully delete your watch history on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.